Hey friends, who's hungry? This old-fashioned strawberry sheet cake is bursting with strawberry flavor in every bite. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Crack 4 large eggs into a mixing bowl and beat them lightly with a mixer. Add 1 15-ounce box of white cake mix and 1 cup of canola or vegetable oil. Dissolve 1 3-ounce box of strawberry gelatin in half a cup of hot water. Pour the Jell-O into the mixing bowl with the cake mix and beat on low until everything is just combined. Then increase the mixer speed to medium and beat for 2 minutes. Pour the batter into a greased 9 by 13 by 2-inch cake pan. Bake for 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted near the center of the cake comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool completely before icing. Now let's make the icing. Beat half a cup of softened unsalted butter on medium speed until smooth. Add 1 cup of powdered sugar and mix until the sugar is incorporated and the butter starts to stiffen up. Add 1 tablespoon of diced strawberries and mix until the icing starts to stiffen up again. Repeat 2 more times, alternating between powdered sugar and strawberries. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix until the frosting is spreadable. Spread the icing in an even layer over the cooled cake. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.